Alright, so what is good, guys? It is Wavy Spice here, and first things first, I would like to say welcome to my channel. If you're new, what's poppin', girl? Here you can find content on everything from fashion and beauty all the way to lifestyle. Definitely want to invite you to subscribe to my channel, join the Spice gang, and become a Spice girl. We have a lot of fun over here. Also, do not forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I do upload new videos. If you guys are interested in this makeup, it will be up on my channel after I upload this video, so definitely be on the lookout for that if you guys are interested in makeup. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty theme video, hair related if you couldn't tell. This is going to be my fast and easy blow dry method. This method is going to be great if you just want to elongate your hair when you're doing styles like twist outs or braid outs, or maybe you even have younger kids that you're doing their hair and you want it to be a little bit more manageable. Blow drying is a great way to do that. So this is going to be a really fast and effective blow dry method. It is going to be featuring this Conair brush blow dryer, which is amazing and a great tool if you want to be able to blow dry your hair with less manipulation and a lower amount of heat. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this really quick and beautiful and bouncy blowout, and we can get right into how I blow dry my hair. Bye. I know it look crazy right now. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. Right now, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. This is my texture. It has no products on it right now. I'm gonna blow dry my hair with no product just because I feel that is the best way to avoid getting any type of heat damage. So it's really moisturized and I really shouldn't need to have anything on it. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of the times the products that we use on our hair prior to blow drying it causes the hair to burn, and it causes things like heat damage and stuff that I'm trying to stay away from. So that's why I'm choosing to do this. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna section off my hair and go ahead and start blow drying. As you can see, my hair has a ton of shrinkage. It looks super short. I'm gonna go ahead and put my blow dryer on a medium heat and show you guys how easy it is to blow dry it out. I'm just gonna start on my ends and work my way up. So now this section is completely dry. As you can see, my ends are cut, and that really did help with the process a lot. Also, even though I didn't put any product on my hair feels completely moisturized. It doesn't feel dry at all. So definitely want to make sure that if you are putting heat on your hair and it's a little bit difficult for you, you might need a trim. And also making sure that you deep condition your hair prior to doing this so that you won't have to worry about adding products pre blow drying it. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna repeat this process all over my hair. Also want to say it does work better if you kind of like focus on the ends. I noticed that was a good method for me in helping the blow dry. So yeah, guys, just gonna do this all over my head and I will come back to you guys when I'm almost finished. Okay, so here's what my hair is looking like so far. I got the whole back section done and it's looking really good so far. I'm halfway done with my hair. I just want to give you guys a close-up of how it's looking. And yeah. All right guys, so here is what the finished product of my blowout looks like. As you can see, really nice and beautiful fluffy hair. It's very moisturized, and this hair I definitely wouldn't wear just like this. I'm just wearing it for the video's sake. This is a great way to go from your really curly hair into a style like a braid out or a twist out and still not lose your length. So blow drying is something that's a really good tool, and I just want to show you guys a really quick and fast method of doing it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.